Yo, what is good, guys? This is my video basically how to fix your Streamlabs OBS lagging. So, what you're gonna want to do is go to settings, go to output, and if you have a good graphics card like the 20 series or 30 series, and maybe the 10 series, like if it's like a TI, like 1660 Ti or something, I think you could use NVENC New. But if you have this option, please select it, because this is a really good option. Check enforce streaming service encoder settings, rate control, constant bitrate. Alright, now this part is, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you could test your net speed. But if you have a net speed above 10, then you should be running 6000 bitrate. You can. But personally, I recommend if you have a 10 upload speed, run your bitrate kind of lower, like 4500 to 5500. That way, it won't seem like it won't take that much upload speed. It's not as laggy. For keyframe interval, put it as 2. There should be a setting here that says max quality or performance. Make sure to put it at max quality. Profile high. Psycho visual tuning, check that. GPU 0, max speed frames 2. Now for video, this depends on your monitor. If you have a 1080 HD monitor, put it to 1080. Now this is if what you want your stream to come out as. If you want a 720, put it 720. If you want 1080, put it 1080. But the 1080 one, the bitrate, I recommend it to 6000 to 8000, as that's like it's like really good quality. This one I recommend bicubic 16 samples, but you could use the one that has 32 samples and the beginning letter is a L. I forgot what it's called. Common FPS values, and then 60 frames per second. Alright, then you go to advanced, press above normal. If you have it normal, make sure to put it above normal. I've seen people put it at high, but I recommend above normal. Color format, NV12. Color space, 709. Hue, color range, full. Force GPU as render device. Yeah, that should be good for now. And yeah, that is it for those settings. But the main part to why your screen or your stream is lagging is because you have your display screen on. What you're gonna want to do is right click, press performance mode, and boom. You're not gonna be able to see your screen, so what you want to do is make sure you have everything, like you have your overlays, like make sure your stream looks good and stuff. And when you do that, click performance mode. You're not gonna be able to see the stream, but trust me, it will not lag anymore. And that should do it. That is it for the video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Please comment down below if I helped you or if my settings work. I stream daily on Twitch. It's steadies_, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.